I've just got back from Asda with the kids in half term, so that was fun. I went without a list, which was stupid, but I feel like I've done quite well. This was £80 and there's quite a lot there. Bearing in mind this was like 15 quid. So 65 for groceries. Oh, and a fiver for nappies. So 60 quid for groceries. I'm not mad about that at all. So we'll start over here. This is like the unhealthy corner. Pain au chocolat. Stuff for the kids' snack drawers. We've got these pick up minis. These are yummy. Little mini cookies. Fox's bedtime biscuits. What's it? The crunchy ones. I tried these the other day. Really enjoyed them. Rice cakes. Me and the kids really like these. Mini Oreos. Some waffles, because you can only buy these in Asda. And I always keep forgetting to buy them. Whenever I do an online shop, I just forget. But these are really good because they're carrot as well, so I don't feel bad giving them to the kids. Then we've got carrots, bananas, little potatoes, sugar snap. Nika loves these. Green beans. Aria wanted to try these. I normally buy just frozen green beans, but she wanted to try some fresh ones, and I'm all about trying to get her to eat more veg. So we went for those ones. This was the only eggs they had, other than the really expensive, like the ones that are like £2.75 for 6. This was all they had. Just no eggs. I've got a big beef mince. This will do 3 dinners for me and the kids. Like a third of this will be mixed with this, and that will make meatballs for one night. But I will talk about the meal plan later properly. I needed some coffee. Even the cheap Asda ones were like £8 a jar or something ridiculous, and this was the one that was on offer, so I just got that. Chicken breasts. The kids wanted pizza for dinner tonight, so I've got a pepperoni because Aria will eat that, and then cheese and tomato, and then I'll just doctor that with like ham and stuff for Mika and Fox, and then I'll just have whatever they don't eat. 2 lots of plain crisps. Foxy chose Pombears. That's his nappies, which I'm desperately trying to get him out of, but he's not having it. Skips for Fox. 2 lots of baby corn. I love this, and this is another thing that Ari wanted to try, and they were 2 for £2, so we got them. Cucumber. We like the baby ones, but they didn't have any. Broccoli was 20p today, so I got 2 of those because me and Fox and Mika all eat broccoli, so that's good. A lettuce. I'm slightly worried about this. After the other day, I was on the phone to my friend, video calling, and we were chatting away, and I chopped up some lettuce and I cut through an earwig, and it was traumatic, but I love lettuce, so I'm going to try again. Oranges, cauliflower to make buffalo cauliflower, and a cabbage to make cabbage roll in a bowl for me for the week. Some Parmesan-esque kind of cheese. I saw these. I have these for my lunch. Jalapeno and cheese croquettes. Like, they look delicious. So I'm going to cook some of those for my lunch today with some salad. I'm very excited about it. Sausage rolls. Foxy wanted them for lunch. Some cheese. Beans and sausages. Or Fox calls them beans on sausages. That's what he wanted. I got these. This is a little sweet, little snacky snack. I got some pastrami because when I was at Amy's cafe at the weekend, I had a pastrami bagel and it was so good. So this doesn't look as good as her pastrami, but it's still going to be good. The kids chose this as a little treat. So some hummus because me and Mika are obsessed. Look, I broke my nail. How annoying is that? How annoying is that? Really pissing me off. Really pissing me off. And then I got myself some protein shakes because I like to have these for breakfast, and these were all on offer. And these are really big ones. So these were £1.25 each, which is really good. So yeah, that was the food shop for the week. I'm going to put it all away and then we'll have a chat about the meal plan. Hey, it's a couple of days since I did the food shop. A kid is going to run in and shout in a minute. Probably. But I thought I would quickly come on and do the meal plan with you. We had spaghetti bolognese tonight. I've made a big batch of cabbage roll in a bowl for me. It's Good Friday today, by the way. We just did toasties last night for dinner because we got back late because my car broke, so we had to get that fixed. We're having chicken wraps one night. I'm just going to roast some chicken breasts and then we like shred it, and then the kids can put what they want within the wraps. We're doing meatballs one night. Yeah. Excuse me. That tasted like garlic bread for anyone that wondered. What else? Oh, one night I imagine I'll do like dippy eggs for me and Aria. No, me, Mika and Fox, and then Aria will have a vegan sausage roll. And then one night will be, well, one night last week, not last week, my brain's fried. The night we got the food shop, the kids had pizza. So yeah, that is the meal plan for the week. The kids are at home obviously because it's half term, so they've been having like bagels and stuff for lunches. Fox likes to have corn fritters. They're one of his favourites. Dippy eggs, beans on toast, things like that. Nice simple things. Lunchtime I'll generally cook whatever they want or make them whatever they want. Doesn't matter if it's different, but dinner times I try and do it so we all have the same or similar. So yeah, that was this week's food shop meal plan. I'm still losing weight, so I'm still in a calorie deficit, which I'm happy about, and I'm just doing it by only eating when I'm hungry. So I don't really pay attention to what I'm eating much. I just only eat when I'm hungry, and that is allowing me to be in a deficit naturally. Like some days if I want to have breakfast, I'll have breakfast, but most days I don't feel like eating until like midday, so I'll just skip breakfast or have like a protein shake or a Baby Bell or something, and then have a lunch and then a little dinner. But I haven't been hungry at all, so it's obviously working. And I've lost 2.5 stone, so I'm happy. I'll see you next week for another food shop. Look at my nails. Look at that. It's so frustrating. Looks ridiculous, doesn't it? Look at that. Getting fixed tomorrow.